Hi, this is Super Gundam 101. Super excited to pick up these two Haro kits. I got them for Argama, Hobbies in Toronto. And this is actually my first ever Haro kits. So I personally love green, and I got the pink one for my girlfriend. So can't wait to show you guys the unbox, and then we'll build it up. And so we'll start with the Garden Green Haro. So it's actually partly two different green colors. And then the mouth actually opens. I'm pretty excited about that. So which is really cool is I got this as a limited edition from Gundam Factory Yokohama. So that's pretty cool about that part. The ears and the legs and the arms actually pop out as well. According to this kit, is actually a more like basic like entry kit. You actually don't need to use nippers. But I think we'll try both kits. I think one set we'll try to use nippers and one with just hands. I think hands would work as pretty well. Let's quickly open it. So the instructions are actually on the box for this kit. It's kind of interesting. I guess you save paper. So you can see all the instructions are over here. A little bit more information on the edges. And in terms of Gunpla sheets, there's two. Just this side and the other side. So we'll quickly unbox that. So it comes as two sheets. There's actually a little mini decal. It's just the Gundam Factory Yokohama. You can see it here. Yeah. The Haro is actually a lot smaller than I imagined. Like when I first bought it, I always, from online, I always imagined it being like this size, but it's actually closer to the slightly bigger than a ping pong ball size, I would say. Yep. And then we'll just kind of show the bottom side of it as well. It actually comes with a little base for the Haro to sit on as well. Alright, since this is a snap kit, so I gotta try to rip all the pieces out and then we'll rebuild. Here are the parts. Funny enough, I did miss two parts. They were really blended in earlier. So here we do. We ripped back those two extra parts. So let's get building. It is my first time building a Haro, so bear with me. Okay, so they just... So I think this is kind of like the hinge. Nice. Perfect. Okay, perfect. So these are like the pelvis area, keyboard inside. There. There we go. That becomes the foot. Haro. And then I think your final step, you go and edit the base. So these I think are the lids where you, if you want to close it or open it. So these are like when it's closed. So we're getting almost there. Let's just pop up the little base. So this is our base. Took a lot. Looks pretty cute actually. And then here's it closed. And then so here's my girlfriend's flower pink Haro. So I gotta save the unboxing for her because that's the fun part.
Nope, you can see this. I think this method hurts your nails a lot less. I feel like with nippers you don't actually have too many gross stretch marks. Stress marks. Here in the middle. Yeah, like this. Hello? Okay. Oh my god.
Pop them.
That would be cool. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Plop.
You're ruining my... It doesn't necessarily have numb marks, but they're kind of like ugly. Since he did the... Oh, nor. Okay. Since he did A, I'm going to do B. Yeah, B. That was... And I'm going to show you the storage underneath the Haro. Bam. On the stand. That's a tight fit. Let's start this because we're probably going to run out of iPhone storage. Aha! Okay, there we go. Oh. That is cute. with the spherical configuration, you don't actually have to use hinges. Honestly, I got this one because it reminds me of Lacus Klein's Haro, and I was like obsessed with Lacus. On a stick. Which I mean, I guess. I think I'm just gonna have a ball on a stick. Yay. Or you can just have a free-forming ball.
Connect the bases.
Gross. Okay, let's put the arms away.
So then on the bottom over here, you have spaces for everything. There's space for the little butthole cover. Sorry, probably should be PG-13. You have space for the bottom cover.
Okay, if I can get it in properly. Okay, there you go. And it does not feel very safe for me, in my opinion. You have space for the hands, the little arms. Oh my god, BTS. Okay, like that. Oh, yeah, satisfying. Okay, great. Perfect. Beautiful. Ta-da! And then when you want to transform it, attach them. Yo, your Haro's punching mine in the face.
I think you moved the arms.
Okay.
The shoulder hold. Time for my quick review on the final build of the garden green and the flower pink. So this kit is actually Yokohama, from Yokohama, but I think the Haros look as good as they are. I think I'm gonna skip on the sticker this time. But overall, I thought it was really cool. You can actually open the mouth. You can have two versions. You can have it closed or open with the arms and legs out. It was a very quick build. I think it was my first time and it took like 15 minutes. I think once you get a hang of it, you can probably finish under 10 minutes. Let me know how fast you can build a Haro in the comments below. I think some of you can like probably finish in 5 to be honest. I think even if you get it as a present for someone, I think it would be perfect because it's so fast and easy to build. No commitments. You don't even need nippers. You could just, it's a snap and build. One thing I thought was really interesting was that for the years, you can actually put in the color. I think one cool thing, because for couples, you can even probably switch out the color too. I think that would be pretty neat. But that sounds pretty intense. But maybe I'll show you after. But I think it's been a pretty fun build. It was fast, and I like the cool part is that you can even connect it once you have a collection of Haros. You can line them up. One cool thing I do really like is that the mini keyboard, if you open the mouth, let's do this. Let's show you. So they both actually have keyboards. I just never opened it earlier.
Oh, yes, there it is. Okay. Oh. Look, there's balls. There's balls. Okay.
And then
I want all of you to comment if this looks like a dick or not. It looks like a dick. Okay, back to building.